What if luck isn't just random? What if some people seem luckier because they think, act, and live differently? And what if you could actually create more opportunities, success, and meaningful experiences in your own life? In this video, I'm sharing key ideas and personal reflections from Conscious Luck by Hendricks and Kline. This book explores the idea that luck is not only about chance, it's also connected to awareness, mindset, openness, and the choices we make every day. The central message of this book is powerful. Lucky people often create conditions that attract opportunities. Instead of seeing luck as pure coincidence, the book explains how awareness, positive mindset, meaningful relationships, and intentional action can increase the chances of good outcomes. Conscious luck is about becoming more open and aligned with opportunities in life. Many opportunities are missed simply because people are distracted or closed off mentally. Lucky people often notice possibilities others ignore. Pay closer attention to your surroundings. Stay curious and open-minded. Listen carefully during conversations and experiences. Awareness helps you recognize opportunities earlier. The book explains that mindset shapes how we respond to life. Negative thinking often blocks possibilities, while optimism increases openness and creativity. One of the biggest lessons is this: luck often appears when people take initiative. Many people wait passively for change, but opportunities usually come through movement and action. Human connection plays a major role in opportunity and growth. Many life-changing moments happen through relationships. Build genuine relationships. Positive relationships create new doors in life. The book also talks about intuition and inner guidance. Sometimes we ignore opportunities because we doubt ourselves too much. Self-trust helps you move toward meaningful opportunities. Gratitude changes perspective and emotional energy. People who appreciate life more deeply often notice more opportunities and joy. One lesson I personally took from this book is this: luck is often connected to awareness, courage, openness, and action. The more engaged and intentional we become in life, the more opportunities seem to appear. Conscious luck reminds us opportunities are not always completely random. Your mindset, attention, relationships, and actions can shape the possibilities you experience. If this message resonated with you, comment "Create Your Luck" below as a reminder to stay open to opportunities and growth. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs encouragement to believe in new possibilities today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.